Our civilization has been constantly progressing towards a better future, yet it has always struggled coping with human challenges like mental retardation and deaf-mute conditions in children for no fault of their own. While the whole world is consumed in sustaining their normal lives, there have been a few good institutions devoting selfless service to humanity. One of them is Manovikas Charitable Trust at Vapi, Gujarat. Manovikas provides education and rehabilitation for mentally retarded and deaf-mute children. The core objective of the trust is to enable these special children into becoming self-sufficient and self-dependent in their respective lives ahead. Starting this journey 17 years ago with just 2 teachers and 13 students. Today, Manovikas Charitable Trust is actively running a fully equipped school and a fully operational rehabilitation center along with hostel accommodation for these special children. In these 17 years, Manovikas Charitable Trust has transformed the lives of at least 500 students. All this was made possible with the donation support of countless people and organizations in this timeless journey. Under the leadership of the President Rotarian Ashish Roy, Rotary's Club generous contributions and with efforts by Manovikas team, this charitable trust and rehabilitation center has always achieved their goals and targets with due diligence.
Seeing is believing. I welcome all of you to visit the school so that we can see mentally challenged students. Without the help, they cannot survive. They really require the help of the people.
पूरा साउथ गुजरात में ये पहली संस्था है जो आज 1.5 करोड़ पब्लिक में एक ही स्कूल है.
The infrastructure that has been existing is designed for local Vapi population. Any institute doing a good job of it gets overcrowded very fast, and that is what has happened to us.
Manovikas Charitable Trust is now expanding their facility to spread love and care for many more special children. And to enable this expansion, Manovikas looks up to your support and welcomes kind donations for making this expansion a reality. Humble donations so far from countless people and organizations has enabled Manovikas to provide variety of vocational training exposures to these special children to make them self-sufficient and self-dependent in their lives.
ये स्कूल में डिपेंडेंट बच्चे और मेंटल रिटार्ड बच्चे पढ़ते हैं. ये बच्चों को अलग अलग बिजनेस सिखाते हैं. प्रिंटिंग का, चॉकलेट बनाने का, सीवण का वर्क, आर्टिफिशियल ज्वेलरी, ऐसे अलग अलग काम सिखा के उन लोग के पास व्यवसायी लक्ष्य हम लोग काम तैयार करते हैं उन लोग को. और आज हमारी स्कूल में से आज 15-17 साल में 35 बच्चे ऐसे तैयार हुए जो अपने बिजनेस कर सके और खुद का बिजनेस अभी चला रहे हैं मम्मी पापा के साथ रह के.
Manovikas Rehab Center has been providing dedicated medical assistance in physiotherapy and vital care for children suffering from cerebral palsy. Manovikas was recognized by the Government of Gujarat in April 2006 for their exceptional service to special children category. Forward generously. Make your choice of donation and help in enhancing the Manovikas facility to bring smiles to many more children and their families.
मैंने इस स्कूल में 15 साल सोशल सर्विस किया है. मैंने देखा है कि जो डोनेशन लोगों ने दिया है या मैंने थोड़ी बहुत दिया है उसका बहुत उपयोग किया है. इन्होंने बच्चों को बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ है.
हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि छोटे बच्चे से लेके बड़े बुजुर्गों तक कोई भी सहयोग दे सकता है।
I have donated 1.5 acres of land and they have utilized it so nicely. They have expanded so much that it is now your turn to donate so that we can fulfill the needs of the society.
Mental retardation or deaf-mute condition in children is a bitter reality of life that is experienced by millions of parents around the world. And the only solution rests in our social world supporting this special world with open arms.
हमारे जैसे नॉर्मल बच्चे को व्यवसाय में सपोर्ट मिल सकता है, लेकिन ये बच्चे एबनॉर्मल हैं, उनको व्यवसाय में सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता। हम लोग ये सपोर्ट दे के काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बच्चे को व्यवसाय लक्ष्य तैयार करके समाज को वो भी अपना योगदान दे, ऐसे बच्चे तैयार करना है।
अपने को मनोविकास को आगे लेके जाने का है, हमारे अपंग विकलांग बच्चे लोग को खुश रखने का है, खुशहाल जिंदगी देने का है और एक अच्छा भविष्य देने का है।
We appeal to all of you to improve this infrastructure congestion and help us creating further infrastructure.
People will ask a question, why you should donate to this institution? I would say that this is a right place to donate. It's a clean administration and I appeal all of you to donate generously.
Now you can make a donation by either calling 0260 232 9020 or visiting our website www.manovikasgujarat.org or simply meeting us at our trust. Manovikas Charitable Trust, only at Vapi, Gujarat.